N8N versus Relevance AI. Which one should you choose? Both in 2025 is no longer just a comparison between workflow automation and AI intelligence platforms. It's about choosing the operational brain of your system, and the decision hinges on whether your priority is automation control or AI driven decision making. Because N8N, as an open source workflow automation tool, empowers developers, solopreneurs, and teams to visually build, scale, and deploy complex automations across APIs, CRMs, data stacks, and internal systems, while Relevance AI focuses more on orchestrating unstructured data analysis, vector search, LLMS, embeddings, and customer insight into one AI native platform where understanding comes before action. N8N drives when your goal is to build custom automations from scratch. You drag, drop, connect 700 plus native integrations, or create your own with code, control execution flows, and monitor failures or retries with granular logic, ideal for business with many back-end services, webhook system, or SaaS pipelines. Meanwhile, Relevance AI excels when your aim is to extract meaning from huge data volumes, create no-code AI agents, or implement GPT-based knowledge system. Its UI lets you import datasets, embed them using powerful vector models, search through them with semantic precision, then build smart workflow around intelligence. While N8N has introduced AI nodes for ChatGPT and Cloud to add generative power, it's still fundamentally task and rule based, while Relevance AI is seasoning and insight based, letting you create decision trees, retrain LLMs, and spin up customer facing agents that adapt in real time. If you're running marketing ops and need dynamic lead scoring, personalized workflows, and campaign trigger, N8N will let you create robust logic with conditions and delays. But if you're building AI co-pilots for customer supports, analyzing open text feedback, or automating decisions based on semantic intent, Relevance AI gives you the upper hand with strong visual interface, built-in RAG support, and vector intelligence baked in. From a pricing perspective, N8N remains appealing to developers with its open source core and self-hosting option, while Relevance AI leans more into AI credits and team-based pricing tier. Team working on startup MVPs or internal tools often prefer innate and flexibility, while mid-sized companies building AI native apps or analytic dashboard benefits from Relevance verticalized solutions. Also, N8N can be hosted privately and extended via custom code modules, giving you full security control, whereas Relevance is more cloud native but offers strong data privacy and compliance for enterprise clients. So, diving deeper into real world workflow, imagine a customer onboarding system. N8N lets you easily design a pipeline where new signups are captured via webhook, validated against your CRM, assigned a sales rep, and sent through a sequence of triggered emails, all without writing complex code, and with conditional branching, error handling, and even loop logic, making it ideal for operations teams who want to build reliable backend flow without relying on engineering. But then, what if you want to understand how users behave after onboarding, cluster them by behavior patterns, or run sentiment analysis on their feedback? That's where Relevance AI shines. It ingests open form data from surveys, chats, or usage logs, embed them into a vector database, and lets you run AI powered queries like which users are showing signs of churn, or group users by reasons for dissatisfaction, offering insight that would otherwise take hours to extract manually. With its new auto agent builder, Relevance AI also let you spin up intelligent assistants trained on your private data, meaning your support agents can focus on edge cases while AI handles the repetitive and contextual queries. Meanwhile, N8N has started integrating more advanced AI routing, allowing you to send data from webhook to GPT node, get a summary or categorization, then route the summary to the right human, team, or next task, which blurs the line between static automation and intelligent flow. This creates an emerging overlap where N8N begins absorbing AI capabilities while Relevance adds more workflow functions, but their DNA remains distinct. One flow around logic trees, the other around data mining. Security conscious teams may lean towards N8N for self hosting and internal server control, especially in regulated industries, while Relevance AI is SOC 2 compliant and scalable in the cloud, perfect for fast growing startups, product teams, and AI researchers, also in terms of scalability. In 8N, recent enterprise tier introduces audit logs, multi-user environments, and environment management, making it more attractive for teams needing control and traceability. Relevance AI roadmap, on the other hand, emphasizes autonomy. Its AI agent can now make decisions, send Slack updates, tag CRM entries, or generate reports, all based on involving input data without manual triggers. So, ultimately, choosing between the two in 2025 boils down to whether your system needs clear, programmable automation with manual oversight, or intelligent, insight generating system that adapt to context in near real time. The most powerful teams are starting to integrate both, using N8N to handle external triggers, data fetching, and structured logic, while routing unstructured input and analysis to Relevance AI for interpretation. This combination of orchestration and intelligence is what modern operations, product, and growth teams are moving towards. In a world where workflow can no longer be dumped and AI can no longer live in isolation, the smartest move might not be choosing between them, but integrating them with purpose. So that's it.